You will need 3 cords that are 80 centimeters long and a paper clip. Fold one cord in half equally. Take the ends behind the end of the paper clip, pull them down, and then pull those ends through that loop and pull down. Attach all 3 cords the same way. This is the lark's head knot. I pin it down using a macrame board. Mine's covered to be more aesthetic. I have a link for it in the description. Take the left cord, hold it to the right, take the next cord, go over top, around the back, and through. We're making a double half hitch knot. Take the left cord again, go over top, around the back, and through. And this is your first double half hitch knot. Take the next cord over and do the same thing. I've attached a link to the video if you need a little bit more instruction for the double half hitch knot. Take the right cord, hold it to the left, take the next cord over, around the back, and through. Pull up, do that another time, over, around, and through. Now you're doing the double half hitch knot in the opposite direction. And do that one more time. Take this cord and take this one and wrap it around and through. And we're closing up the point with a double half hitch knot. Start from the left and do the same thing to the right with the next 2 cords. Start from the right and do the same thing with the next 2 cords. This time we'll take this one, hold it over, and use this one to make the double half hitch knot. So we're alternating sides that we finish the point. And do that one more time. Use this one, hold it over, and use this one to do the double half hitch knot to close the point. Now cut the ends and give it a little comb.